Hello peneliti belia, my name is Karan Jimbaran. I'm from Islamic Junior High School Al Azhar 26 Yogyakarta. Today, I want to presentation my historical research entitled The Crescent Moon Over the Castle, historical account of tolerance among Muslim and Hindu kingdom in Karangasem, Bali. The introduction. The Karangasem Kingdom is one of the kingdoms which still exists in the island of Bali. The Karangasem Kingdom with a government center called Puri Karangasem was found around 16th century. The problem formulation. The first, since when did the tolerant attitudes of the Muslim community and the Karangasem Kingdom in Bali develop? The second, how can the Islamic community and the Karangasem Kingdom in Bali maintain tolerance? And the third, what are the prospects for culture-based tolerance between the Islamic community and the Karangasem Kingdom in Bali? The research methodology. The first, interview methods. Interviews were done throughout various groups, namely the Karangasem Kingdom, especially the Karangasem King family in Puri Karangasem, the Hindu community, and the Muslim community in Karangasem. The second, writing methods. A. Internal criticism, an attempt to determine the authenticity of a source, and B. External criticism is to determine the credibility of the collected data. The history of the arrival of Islam in Karangasem. The arrival of Islam at the center of Karangasem Kingdom became more realistic since the establishment of relationship between Karangasem and Lombok. The arrival of Islam in Lombok was predicted to be in the 16th century, brought by Sunan Prapen, Al-Fadal, and Sangupati. Culture as a media of tolerance in Karangasem. The harmonious relationship between Muslim and Karangasem Puri and the people of Karangasem, wrapped in culture or tradition, continues to flourish until today. This harmonious relationship created the expression of Penyama Braya in Balinese means close relative, Braya in Sasak means distant family, in the broad sense of brotherhood. Tradition of Bendi drummer in the ceremony at Pura Bukit. One of the placement of the Sasak people in Kampung Anyar is six family heads who are thrust in the ceremony as Bendi drummer every ceremony until now. Muslim family who serve as Bendi drummer carry out their duties without coercion. The reading of Lontar Kidung Nabi at the Otanan ceremony. Otanan is one of the ceremony by Hindu at the birth of a baby and pupak or breaking of the navel at age of 6 months. Uniquely, in Puri Karangasem family, the series of events in the Otanan ceremony include reading of Lontar Kidung Nabi. The tradition of Ngejot Food Festival. During the Galungan holiday, Hindu give fruit or food parcel to the neighbor and the Muslim community. If they eat al-Adha, Muslim community give kurban goat meat to Hindu. This is how the term Ngejot developed, giving each other. Tradition of Magibung or eating together among Muslim and Hindu. Magibung Food Festival saw a group of people eat together from one big dish. Initially, Magibung was held by the king of Karangasem to unite Hindu and Muslim warrior after the war in a banquet together. Prospect of tolerance in Karangasem. Nowadays, changes are taking shape and Muslims are no longer dependent on Puri, but the tolerance of Islam and Hindu in Karangasem is still relatively well preserved. This tolerance can certainly be used to promote unity in the future. The conclusion. The first, since arrival of Sasak Muslim from Lombok in the 18th until 19th century on the policy of the King of Karangasem, the city has been inhabited by Islam village around the castle to help the defense and security force of the Karangasem Kingdom from threat from other parties as well as making the arrival of Islam in Karangasem. The second, the relationship between the Muslim community and the Puri Karangasem family and the Hindu community is established. The culture of reading Lontar Kidung Nabi, the Megibung tradition among Muslim and Hindu, tradition ngejot of giving each other between Muslim and Puri Karangasem as well as Hindu. Third, although there has been a shift in relation between Muslim and Puri Karangasem, who are not bound by traditional alliance as servants and kings, but continue to the level of kinship linked to tradition, so that they have good prospect and expected to last until the future to come. The picture of the interviewers. The first is the king of Abhiseka, Anak Agung Gede Putra Agung, and then Anak Agung Ayu Dewi Girindrawardhani and Inyoman Budiasa, and the interviewers Iwan Syahwanto and Inyoman Wijaya as academic Udayana University. The last slide is future work. Result of research on the Muslim-Hindu tolerance relationship in Karangasem, which is based on tradition until now, can be recommended for other area, especially those prone to conflict, by explore their local wisdom. This research also has the potential to further research by exploring tolerant and multicultural life from various perspectives and expanding studies not only in Bali but can be extended to research in other areas. Okay, that's my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I'm Karan Jimaran. See you.